Science exploration demands ultimate precision. Raykol XT-iMD microwave digestion system, redefining lab efficiency. Dual magnetrons, dual HD smart screens, color status light, rapid cooling, intuitive UI. Interactive method library, novel rotors and sensors. XT-iMD offers great configuration flexibility. 2 high-throughput 42-position rotors fit various volumes. High pressure for the toughest samples. Food to pharma R&D. XT-iMD enables precise sample transformation. Unique vessel design and lightweight rotors enable tool-free assembly, saving you valuable time and reducing labor. The intuitive user interface simplifies method setup. Access relevant information like operation videos or the method library directly on the main unit. 5G IoT enables remote diagnostics and support. 7-inch touch and monitoring screens. Real-time display, parameters and curves, clearly see inside the cavity. Unique microwave feed, higher heating efficiency. Saw temperature bar graphs per vessel. High-precision optical ranging displays pressure bars, graphs for each high-pressure rotor vessel. The vibrant light bar visually tracks progress, making experiment status clear at a glance. The acid addition module enables high-precision automated dispensing of various acids, maximizing acid safety for laboratory personnel. Smart, swift digest, future-defined.